Hello, everyone. In this lesson, we'll learn about Python Lambda expressions. Imagine you need a function only once. Instead of writing an entire function using the def keyword, Python allows you to create a small anonymous function using Lambda. The syntax is very simple. Lambda arguments, expression. Let's look at an example. This creates a function that returns the square of a number. Calling square 5 returns 25. This is exactly the same as writing. So why do programmers use Lambda? The biggest real-world use of Lambda expressions is sorting. Suppose we have a list of students. If we write, the Lambda expression tells Python to use the second value, which is the student's marks, as the sorting key. Now let's make it more interesting. Suppose every student has both marks and age. Now we write, Python first compares the marks. If two students have the same marks, it then compares their age. We can even sort using 3 values. Python now sorts in this order. First, by marks. If the marks are equal, then by age. If both marks and age are equal, then by name. Let's summarize. A Lambda expression is simply a quick one-line function. It doesn't perform the sorting itself. Instead, it tells Python which value or combination of values should be used as the sorting key. That's why Lambda expressions are one of the most commonly used features with both sort and sorted. Thank you, and see you in the next lesson.